Hey y'all, we finna go in the back and get us another. I got a big tree down back there. We finna take y'all in the backyard, back in the wood, and we gonna get us a tree. We gonna take y'all along for the ride, alright? Alright, hold on. The road is blocked. Got a damn road block. Blocking me to my own damn property. That's how the stead do me, y'all. That's how the stead do me. What the hell wrong with you? Bitch rolled over on me one time. And I was like, yeah, I'm sensitive. I'm full. Yeah, you gotta wait till I fucking Homestead. You gotta edit that out. All right, y'all. This is the tree. It fell last spring, I think. So it's been down about a year. So we ain't gonna get all of it today. I'm finna cut it and we gonna get a piece of it today. And then when I cut that piece up, we'll probably come back out here next weekend and get the other half. I'm gonna cut it, and hey, we ain't gonna drag it. So
I was finna say the whole thing we can't do. So where you cut it off at? Oh, I see where you cut it off at.
So I'm gonna drag it here, and I just cut about right there. We just get that half right now.
You gonna cut that little limb off right there?
I already cut it.
That little one that's sticking out like that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I can't tell. All right.
That's all you gotta do is just back up. Go ahead, baby. Go! That's how we do it out here, Jack. Collecting firewood on the Grumpy Homestead.